Hi, welcome back. A couple days ago I posted a video compilation of some videos I posted about a couple years ago of me painting some wood round circles. Those videos are in a playlist, and I have the name of the playlist. Fluid Art Fun with Wood Round 12-inch Circles. I keep forgetting the name of that playlist, so I had it pulled up. But on my compilation video I posted a couple weeks ago, I had a comment by Michelle who asked if it would be nice if she can see the dried finished pieces. And sure enough, I still have most of those pieces. And I thought it'd be fun just to show you how they have dried. Now, I did paint these 2 years ago, posted the videos a couple years ago, but in the compilation video, I thought it would be fun just to have those videos in just one easy, accessible spot, because I do like watching the videos that I create. I think it's fun watching art, and I really never get tired of it. So, for the first one, here's one of them in the video. And I believe I did a tree ring with this one, and I added some hanging hardware. And I just used some twine. I named it, dated it, 2022. And that was the first one. Let me know what you think about these. This one was a reverse tree ring where I poured the paint along the outside and then towards the middle. This one was super fun. I think this is my favorite. I just love how it turned out. And with all of these, I used a spray sealer, Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear Enamel. I did a couple coats, and I didn't want to do anything heavy like resin, because I did use silicone in these. And resin can be kind of finicky with silicone, and resin can be finicky anytime, no matter how you're using it. But, you know, these are lightweight. They're maybe, I don't know, quarter inch thick. They're just, I got them off Amazon, just wood. And I think they're so cool. They're so much fun to paint. Here's another one. And a couple of these, I do remember I had to pour on top of an older one because I didn't like the way the first version turned out. But I think all of these are awesome. They're super lightweight. Look at that one. Whoops, sorry, the lighting gets all wacky. Oh, I love all these. I think it's great. I love all the detail because you can see all the lines. Now, something like this I think would be neat maybe if I added a scene into it. Or I just like it as is. Let me know what you think. This one, oh yeah, look at this one. Look how cool this one is. I think I used a bunch of leftover paints. I remember I did an Easter Bunny project for my grandkids. It was just, oh my goodness, 24-inch wood bunny I got at Michael's, and all of these were leftover paints. And I think part of those might have been some Deco Art satin enamel, which is why I got a cloud effect here. But isn't it cool how just electric it looks? Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I'm in frame. Look how electric it looks against the white. This one did crack and craze. I don't know if you can see the texture? And I kind of like it. I thought that was a cool effect. And cracking and crazing can be problematic in some pieces. And some pieces I've had it cracked where they're super fine cracks, and I was like, oh, that looks like it's been in the sun too long, you know. But for the most part, when my pieces crack and craze, I really like them. I think it gives another effect. And then here is another one. They all just dried fantastic. And I tend to use a lot of craft paints. I don't use a lot of high-end paints. I've been paint pouring, I want to say 7-8 years now. And I have used high-end artist professional quality paints before. They just tend to be a little more expensive for what I do. I like to experiment and play around. And the results I get with my craft paints are really pretty phenomenal. And I will say it depends on how you mix the paints. I've seen some artists use craft paints and they put too much water in them. So water breaks down the paint no matter what you're doing. So that's kind of problematic. Here, isn't it? I love this one too. Look at this one. And this one dried awesome. There's a couple little bumps and lumps like right here. Whoops. And I think it's because I didn't strain my Floetrol enough. But I think it looks great. I mean, I think they look awesome. What do you think? Let me know. And, you know, they make great gifts, great little decor, but I haven't gotten rid of them. I did have these on display at a bar and grill for about a year. And I just really haven't been actively selling my art. Here's another one. This is called Our Planet because it looks like a planet. I think. Look at the green, the land, the water, the lakes. Yeah. Just add some hanging. Oh, this I think I ran out of the D-rings. So I just added this. And I put this because it was on display. So whoever gets this can just hang it like that. Unless they do like this. I like it. And then here is, are we at our last one? This is the last one. A couple of these, I believe this one and this one I did when Ukraine got hit real hard a couple years ago. And that whole thing made me sad. I mean, all I can do is paint, so I painted. And look at, and it's in the Ukraine colors of the flag. But yeah, I think they turned out great. I'm super proud of these. These are super fun. I have to say I have more of these wood circles in my garage. I've been storing and hoarding. I need to start painting them, and yeah, you're motivating me to do more. So pretty soon, watch out, there's going to be a new video coming with these. So I hope this helps answer any questions about how they dried, and let me know if you have any more questions. I'll be glad to help. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!